Oh my God! Nag-init yung mukha ko. Panis na siya. So, just an update, I got a job, and surprisingly, it is a company for international students as well. I'm just super excited to be able to relay that message or to relay that kind of service to Filipino international students. So, yeah, I am still working though at my part-time job before. It's a Filipino remittance company. Breakfast situation. I am working at an agency that helps international students to find the best education pathway for them and to also be able to help them and assist them here in Canada. Usually, yung mga ibang agency kasi sa different countries, not just the Philippines, is once nakaalis na sila or for example, once nakapunta na sila here sa Canada, it's the services are done. But for us, we wanted to be able to help students all the way until mag-PR sila. And we do that because we understand the struggles of just being alone and not knowing what to do. Especially if gusto mong mag-extend ng student visa or gusto mong mag-apply ng PGWP. It's really hard when you're alone unless you have friends who have experienced that as well. Or my agency yesterday, it is founded by an international student as well. It clearly knows the struggles and the feelings and the needs. I'm sorry, I'm talking. Wait lang. The needs of these students, and we can give extra service or assistance on getting that SIN or provincial ID card, all those information that they need to be able to settle well here in Canada. I think that is a really great service that I wish I have before, because if I came here with just me and I don't have a family who guided me here, it's really a struggle to research and do everything and think if it's right or not. Sobrang hirap gumalaw sa country na like hindi mo kilala yet. It's still so cold. I need to buy more fleece pants because the one that I have looks like sweatpants and I don't think I wanted to wear it at the office. I wanted to look professional. Morning!
Good morning!
You're the only one here?
This is what I do.
So yung ginagawa ko during work hours is I just reply to some of the inquiries that I got for students back home and also here in Canada. And with the schools so that they can present to me yung mga promos or yung mga programs that they offered for the year and basically yung mga good things about the school so that ma-present ko siya sa Pinoy market. So, that's that. So, yeah. Ang isa sa pinaka-gusto ko pa is it doesn't require me to speak English. I wanted to introduce you guys to my colleague here.
And she is... Hi guys,
yourself.
my name is Melanie. I am in charge of the Latin America team here at Study.
That's it. And this is our
Come and join us on
office.
our awesome adventure here in Study, where all the teams come together and
In different countries.
and work. And we work really hard. But I also am Filipino, okay?
Oh yes, she is, fun fact, she is half Filipino and half Mexican. First time that I live on time. We are going home because she is tired and I just wanted to eat. I'm starving. That is the CN Tower at the end of the road. Let's see. Just got home and I have yet again an ayuda from my landlord, from Tita. Yay! Just finished eating and I'm still with my clothes, but with my pajama because I have a meeting with our partner college. She is actually based in Vietnam, which is why our schedule doesn't match. Hi!
Good morning. Hi, Fiona.
Finished a meeting with Sophia. She is a representative of a Cambrian college. It is a pretty fun call. I'm gonna start the 7-day challenge with my business partners. We are doing this 7-day Go Live challenge, and the first day is, what's the topic for the first day? I think I haven't done this before. Hi everyone! Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Oh my god! Nag-init yung mukha ko kasi I just did my first live video for this year. And every time I do live, I'm always so freaking nervous about doing it. But practice is the key to everything. So just gonna do it more so that I am just as comfortable as doing it with you guys. Good morning. Just got off from work and today I am here at the grocery to buy some eggs. Let's get some food for the brain. I have been craving for macarons for quite some time now. OMG! What? I love this one. Focus, Fiona. Focus.
Using self-checkout.
I have been trying to do live for a couple of minutes now, but it's still like that. Good morning! Today is Wednesday. I'm eating this macarons for breakfast because I'm too lazy to come up with something. Feel ko yung gatas ko medyo panis na siya. So, lesson learned, bibili na lang ako ng milk na nasa carton kasi yung milk na tatlo is too much for me. I can't finish it. Unless lagi ako nagsi-cereal.
Is it showing too much?
Yeah.
You're wrong.
Nice setup. Thank you. Record. Hi guys, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Bushaki.
Hi. Hello. Hi. And your name?
I'm Andrea.
And you?
My name is Karen. Hi.
And you?
Hi, I'm
Were you
Rafa.
serious?
Rafa.
Were you
And
serious?
I'm Fiona.
What?
Yeah.
I said my name totally not.
Okay, again.
Okay,
What's your
name? For you, so now I have to
Oh,
cut.
okay. Oh my god, this is so messy. Oh my god. Ingay. I'm going home now. Uwian na. Time check, it's 6 p.m. now. And surprisingly, medyo maaraw pa. Usually kasi magdilim to pag winter. So, it means na mag-spring na. I'm home. I just finished doing my live video for my business and I love the topic for today. It is about mental health. And I'm just gonna repeat what I said to that live, how I protect my mental health. And one of those things is first journaling. I am a broken record when it comes to this. Journaling for me helps me to dissect my thoughts and to see it more clearly and to understand myself more. So that really helps. Next one is that I try to make everything simple and easy as much as possible. One of the examples that I did was to put water in there so that I can see it in the morning and I can drink it right away. And also my OOTD system here, which is those hangers represent each day of the week, so that I don't have to think of like an outfit and put it together every single morning. So, and last and the most important thing is to be kinder to yourself, to feel the ups and downs of life and accepting that just like anybody else, we are just figuring out life as we go along. I'm gonna do laundry today because I feel bad. I don't feel good today, so might as well just do laundry. Thank you to my coworker who introduced me to the pods. So these are very concentrated detergent, and you'll just put it inside the washing machine, and that's it. You only need one. It's so perfect for anyone who don't have an in-house laundry or anything, because for me, this takes up so much space in my cart. So I sometimes ended up getting another bag, which is a bit hassle. One inside the machine. That's it. Okay, I found a Filipino store. Amazing. Ang tagal. Grabe, ang bilis magbago ng emotion. So yesterday I feel so pumped, I feel so motivated, but today I don't know, parang biglang nag 360 degrees yung emotions ko. Yesterday sobrang motivated ako, ang dami kong na-achieve, and now today parang wala. Since I feel like a failure today, I decided to do some laundry and do things that I can control, which is to take this off kasi dapat tomorrow pa ako maglalaba. But I decided ngayon na lang. And ngayon na lang din ako bumili ng other things na kailangan ko, like mantika or toyo. I don't know. I am back with all my clothes that I got from the laundry. I just finished eating, and I am gonna do live on Facebook. And today's topic is about my strengths and weaknesses. Hi everyone, good evening.
Shania, and she asks, how do I think?
I'm freaking cold.
Situation. It's so cold, but it's nice and bright and a sunny afternoon. Some milk tea.
I'm cold. Don't judge.
Look at your face.
I look like an igloo. I look like Puka.
Oh yeah, you do.
Without a Luigi though.
A cold Puka right here. Puka quarantine pandemic edition. with all the stress and
With all the stress. Medium. Large.
I just got home. I bought a new phone. I got the iPhone 12 Pro Pacific something. I don't have a stock right now, so I'm gonna go and pick it up next week. I have work tomorrow. I'm gonna eat now, relax, and sleep, and work again on the weekends all the way at the end of the month. No break here. But it's fine. Isa akong coworker kasi si Kim dumating na siya from the Philippines. So, I'm gonna see her hopefully next weekend kasi magka-quarantine pa siya. So maybe I'm gonna end this vlog. See you next week and goodbye!